Are you struggling to create content that truly resonates with your audience? You're putting in the work, but it's just not translating into the engagement and growth you want. In this video, I'm going to share a step-by-step guide to crafting a content strategy that actually works for any niche. So, if you're ready to stop just creating content and start creating content that converts, keep watching. The first step to creating a winning content strategy is to identify your niche. What is a niche? It's your area of focus, your specialty. Now you might be thinking, Neil, my niche is too broad, it's just digital marketing or fitness. But trust me, you can niche down further. Think about it. Digital marketing for e-commerce businesses or fitness for busy moms. Being specific is key because it allows you to reach the right audience. People who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. So, how do you find your niche? Start by looking at your interests and expertise. Use tools like Google Trends or BuzzSumo to see what people are searching for and talking about online. Okay, so you've identified your niche. Great. Now let's talk about your audience. Understand their needs, pain points, and desires. What keeps them up at night? What are they searching for online? What content makes their lives easier? Use surveys to ask directly. Tools like Google Forms or Typeform help. Try social listening. Reddit, Quora, and Facebook groups are gold mines. This gives you content ideas. Now that you know your niche and your audience, it's time to define your goals. What do you want to achieve with your content? Make sure your goals are smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Don't just say, I want more followers. Instead say, I want to grow my Instagram followers by 20% in the next 3 months. A specific and measurable goal gives you something concrete to work towards and allows you to track your progress. Now comes the fun part, planning your content. This is where you take all the information you've gathered about your niche, audience, and goals, and turn it into an actionable plan. Start by brainstorming content ideas based on your research. Think about different content formats that would resonate with your audience. Would they prefer blog posts, videos, infographics, podcasts, or a mix of everything? Once you have a good list of ideas, it's time to organize them into a content calendar. There are tons of tools out there to help you with this, like Trello, Notion, and Asana. Your content calendar should include the topic, format, target keywords, and publishing date for each piece of content. Alright, you've got your plan, now it's time to bring your content to life. Use visuals. People are visual learners. Images, videos, and graphics make your content eye-catching and shareable. Tell stories. They connect emotionally, make content memorable, and build trust. Repurpose your content. Turn blog posts into videos and share key takeaways as social media graphics. Reach a wider audience and get more mileage out of your hard work. Now, let's look at a few examples of brands and influencers who are absolutely killing it with their content strategies. One great example is Gary Vaynerchuk. He's a master of creating engaging content across multiple platforms. His secret? He's incredibly authentic and transparent in his videos and social media posts. Another inspiring example is Airbnb. They've nailed the art of visual storytelling on Instagram. Their feed is a beautiful collection of travel photos and videos that evoke emotions and inspire wanderlust in their followers. They also use user-generated content effectively, which makes their brand feel more authentic and relatable. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a winning content strategy for any niche. Remember, the key is to create content that's valuable, relevant, and engaging for your target audience. Don't be afraid to experiment with different formats. Try new things and see what works best for you. Now it's your turn. What are you going to create? Let me know in the comments below. Look, creating a content strategy that works isn't about following some magic formula. It's about putting in the work, understanding your audience, and constantly adapting. Remember, your audience's needs and interests evolve, and so should your content strategy. Keep experimenting, keep testing, and most importantly, keep providing value. Now, if you want more in-depth tips and strategies on digital marketing, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. I'm constantly sharing actionable advice to help you grow your business online.